Hey everyone, so BNB is absolutely exploding right now. Really liking the look. When BNB meme coins first came out, there wasn't a little volume in it, to be honest, and I weren't trading it as much. But recently, have really been pushing this meme coin section as it's really helping BNB grow. And these meme coins are now really taking off. They're going to a couple 100,000, a couple million market cap. I feel like they're doing a lot better than the Solana meme coins right now. So I've done a lot of research into it. I've decided that we're going to figure out how to make the best trades. It's very similar to Solana meme coin trading. It's just a different chain. So I want to show you everything that you need to know in order to start making money where you can actually get these 5x's, 10x's, even 100x trades that a lot of the traders are doing over here on GMGN. And if you stay all the way to the end, I'll show you the exact filters and wallet setups and how to track the best wallets so you can get the most from these meme coins. Before we start trading, we need to really look why these meme coins are now popping off. If you look at a lot of the market cap for a lot of these, the ones that are trending, see this one was at 1 million mark before, it's not 500,000. This one's at 140 million. This was done 16 days ago. There is a lot of money to be made, a lot of ones that will keep on holding its value as well, which is really good. They're not just crashing out of nowhere. We see some are, but there's a lot that are just keeping and holding that value. And basically, there's a new wave of hype led by the Chinese crypto community, and it's all centered entirely around Binance and CZ. Every time CZ likes or replies to a post, a lot of volume goes into it. Very similar to how if Elon Musk tweets, then a lot of volume goes into those type of meme coins. And there's so many examples of tokens that have gone from a few thousand to tens or even hundreds of millions. And this makes me excited because I'm not really liking Solana meme coins at the moment. There's just a lot of volume in there. So the fact that there's a lot of volume in these ones right now, it makes me really excited. I'm going to just be trading a lot of BNB meme coins. So first things first, you need to open up GMGN.AI. This is a great meme coin exchange that's been around for a long time. They keep on improving. They are amazing guys. They are absolutely amazing. So all you need to do is go over to the top right of your screen and there'll be a login button. Click login and you can connect with pretty much any wallet you like or your Telegram. I've connected with my Phantom wallet just to make it easy. Now, when you first connect, your account is going to show zero balance. You can't directly purchase BNB from here. So if you connect with one of your wallets, just go ahead and bridge some of your own crypto into BNB in order to be able to use it. So in order to get the right filter section, go onto Trenches, then go over to this section, this little icon that you can see right here. Click on that, and then you'll have the filter settings. You want to put the age, maximum 3 minutes, the market cap, 7.5 minimum, and then go over to KOLs and put that as well. So these are key opinion leaders. They're basically wallets that are doing really well. So you want to be finding the whale wallets, essentially. Then click apply, and then you should only be seeing a couple meme coins in this section. And that is what you want. You don't want to be having meme coins that are just not doing well for you at all. You want to filter out the winners, and even all of these might not be winners. So you just got to have a look at the tweet that's connected to it and see exactly if it's going to be a trending narrative or not. ByteDance is paying for ads and partnering with influencers to promote its AI chatbot, CC, in countries like the UK, Mexico, and Indonesia. Now, is that going to do well? I'm not too sure. Is there a key opinion leader in it? If he was, then they've probably left and already sold. So you'll be able to filter out a lot of the ones here, especially if you're tracking the Twitter and having it in a different section. If it's some type of trending narrative that comes up and pops up, then you could be in for a winner. What we also want to be looking at though is going onto these trending meme coins that are already migrated and then seeing all of the best traders on there. So this Picasso meme coin is one that I was looking at earlier. It does seem like there's quite a few good wallets in there. So in order to find all the best wallets, go over to top traders, click top traders, and then it should automatically be done by profit and loss. So the ones that have got the most profit and loss will be at the top. And then just a little, how do we make sure these are good wallets? It's really simple with GMGN. You can scroll over it and you can see the 7-day win rate. So they've got a 7-day win rate of 31%, which isn't good. We want to be finding the ones with a consistent profit and loss. Now, in order to then find that as well, you click on the little profile icon, the little profile picture. This takes you to the profile on GMGN, and you can see their overall profit and loss. So you can see that they've lost a couple of days, literally lost $20,000 in one day, but they're $40,000 up But if they're having consistent losing days, I don't recommend trading them. But if you see the little tick next to it, little verified icon, then definitely check these ones. These are KOLs, whale wallets. If you look at their profit and loss overall, they've made $80,000 this week, and they've only lost in October so far less than $2,000, which is absolutely amazing. So you want to be tracking those ones. You go over to the top right, you can't see it because my face cam is in the way, but it's like a little trap button. And then when you go over to wallet tracker, you can see the wallets that you're actually tracking. You click track, and then you can see exactly what meme coins they're buying into. The more efficient and best wallets that are profitable that you get into the here, then the more you'll be able to find the winning meme coins, some that actually might be missed out on the filter section. So you want to be going on to each of these highly profitable wallets, seeing the buying, the higher BNB, the better. I want to be tracking people who have got, over 5 or 10 BNB. You want to be getting those whale wallets. But then obviously I'm going over, seeing a 7-day win rate is 35%. I'm clicking on it and having a look at the profit and loss. They've only lost $1,000, but they're quite a fresh wallet, so I don't know if I want to chat that one. Obviously, this cowboy one is a KOL, so we just want to be tracking. If you're tracking all the KOL wallets, by the way, you're going to be finding a lot of the winners, because look at the amount of money this person's made. They've made 500 from BNB Memecoins in the past week, which is absolutely mental. You just see right here that you've just bought into this meme coin, this Mil2, you've just been tracking. It's not a recent one though. They're just trying to pump it back up to this level right here. If you click market cap, so you go to this section, instead of clicking price, you click market cap, you can see exactly the market cap that it was at. He's probably trying to take it back up to the 50K market cap region. I don't recommend these type of plays. I recommend just getting into the ones that are recent and that are created recently, because there's going to be more volume going into those tokens. But this is one that absolutely took off. This cowboy bought into it, and they've made $3,000, and they've got 1.5K remaining. These wallet addresses as well, if you ever see that you've bought like a couple million of the token, and then they've sold more than they've actually bought, just completely stay away from those wallets. They're insider wallets, but it should tell you as well. When you scroll over, there'll be like little icons next to it. But I'm really liking the BNB meme coins in general, just because of the fact there's so much volume going into it right now. To the point where I didn't even realize. So now I'm like, oh, definitely need to go into here. There's so much more volume than Solana meme coins currently. It's getting me excited, definitely. So also, there's a little tip as well. So when you're looking at these top traders, one way that I actually like to find the best wallets is seeing the earliest entries. So obviously Cowboy BNB KOL that we're now tracking is good. Well, let's see when he bought in. He bought in at 350K market cap, which is quite good considering this is at 1.6 million now. And then this one's got a balance of 18 BNB, so that looks good. But they seem like a fresh wallet, to be honest. We click on it, and if not, this is a fresh wallet. Oh wait, no, they've been trading, but they're in loss. They're in overall loss. So again, like this is why it's good to just double check these wallets. You can see exactly how much they're making in a month. If it's a lot of reds, then there's no point tracking them. You just want to find the winners. Let's have a look at when they ended at 295K, and he sold at 750K. So they made $700, but if they would have held this token, they made a lot more. And overall, they're in a bit of loss. So, you can still track this wallet if you wanted to, but I don't think it's best method. I think you should just be tracking the ones that are getting profits in the majority of days, because that's just going to be better filters for your wallet tracker. If you start putting in loads of wallets that take a lot of losses, then you're going to be a bit confused on which coins to enter. So that's why I'm recommending to always look at the profit and loss. Then if it says something like fresh wallet here, it's something that you probably don't even want to trade, to be honest. There we go. We just found another KOL there. So we click on here. You can see their overall profit and loss. Any KOL will have a decent profit and loss overall. You want to be tracking those guys. This person's made 30K in the last 7 days. Cool. Just BNB staying solid, to be fair. And BNB, So then, as you can see on the tracking section, then it'll also show you notifications if you don't have this tracking section, which is amazing. It'll pop up. There's like a sound effect. You probably heard it. But yeah, I've got screen capture on, so you can hear that pop sound effect. That's really good, because imagine, like, let's say you're on a different browser, you're on Twitter or something like that, then you're not going to miss it. And a lot of these coins are in Chinese, so If you just go over to it, click show translation, and then you can see what's the new FUD today. Am I using 3G? You click show translation. There's a lot of the reason why these coins are doing so well, especially you want to be just trading like the Asian time zone. I am in the morning in the UK right now, so still sort of nighttime for Asia. Yeah. Well, this might be a good wallet. Let's click on this one and see. So this is what all I'm doing, trying to find the ones that are decent. I'm going on to the trending tokens. Even if it's a couple $1,000 market cap, I'm looking at the ones who have made the money. Do you know what I mean? We're finding the ones who are making the most. And this is a good, yeah, this person's made 60K. It's a fresh wallet and they've only been trading a couple of days. That's one to track. So you get the example. You keep looking through these tokens, finding the ones that are top traders, making sure they're profitable overall. For like the past month, they've been profitable consistently. And then you track those wallets. That gives you a better idea of how to find these trending meme coins. On top of the filters section, and just the way these BNB meme coins are going at the moment, this should be a great starting guide of exactly what you need to do in order to find these. And then you just need to make sure that they're correlating to whatever the trending narrative is at the moment. And especially if these Binance members are tweeting about it, then usually it should be doing quite decent. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Go ahead and sign up to GMGN.AI in the link in the description below. And thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you with your future meme coin trades. And best of luck to you. Let me know how you do with these BNB meme coins in the comments below. I'd love to hear your results from trading these. And I'll be doing a few videos as well where I'm showing my results. This is quite recent to me, so I'm just building up my tracking list and everything else like that. Yeah, in a week's time, I'll show you exactly how well I've been doing on these BNB meme coins.